Hi everyone, hope you're keeping well. I'm just going to check this hive. This was a hive that swarmed. I removed the queen and a couple of frames of brood and moved it to this location. It's a different apiary, so I'm going to get suited up, get the smoker light and just have a check, and we'll see how she's getting on. Okay, so we've got smoker light. Just give them a quick puff. Move this block off the top. See if they've taken all the feed I gave them. That was full up, so that's good. I don't know if you can see in there, but that's completely empty. There's a few bees up there. I've got some more syrup, so we'll give it a top up. I'll give this a crack. Okay, just check. Whoa, there's a lot of bees in there. Stuck the frame on. Okay, I'll just check the frame. Bees not on there. Okay, pop that down there. They're a bit feisty, so I'll stand this side. Hopefully you can see what's going on. And come on, out you go. It's not the best weather, but you have to get in when you can. So they've drawn these frames of foundation out. Look at that, that's great. There's pollen in there, they've drawn it out. They've not quite drawn that frame out yet, but there's loads of bees in here, which is good. Just check this frame. This was a frame of brood that I put in. There's a load of brood that's emerged there and there as well. A little queen cup on the bottom, and hopefully they won't be planning to swarm. I'm just going to be quick because there's a bit of a chilly breeze, so loads of brood there as well. Just see if we can see eggs. I don't think the queen's laying yet. I'll just go through quickly and see. And this was another frame of brood. There's the queen there. You see the queen? She's just there. White, pink. So she's there. All good. And she's nicely clipped. I'll pop her back in there. And we'll just check these last two frames. I'm just teasing them apart because they've not been in long. They're not actually stuck too badly together, but this is basically all the sugar syrup, I think. She's got space. I'm actually going to turn this frame around. Take that bit of comb off. I'm going to turn this frame around so they draw this side. But she's there. She's got space. I'm not going to feed him anymore. I'm drawing that comb quite well. As you can see, there's pollen in there. We're starting drawing this side. So pop that on. There's a bit of brace comb here. I'm just going to take the brace comb off because obviously stuck it down. And any wax you take off, I'll just put in a little bucket and I'll melt it down later. So I'll pop that on and all good. Okay, and there we go. Job done.